So this is the little plant that I decided to get. There are 5 of them, and I made this back in freshman year of high school in the ceramic class. little dinosaur was another one that I did back in the freshman year of high school in the ceramic class, and it's actually one of my favorite ones that I did. And since it's a little one, I'll buy a little plant for it. first one, I put all my sketchbooks, they are not that much, and my stickers. In the second one, I organize all my art supply, my Posca pens, Primacolors, and watercolors, and these are the only ones I use for now. In the third one, I just put this little canvas that I'm going to be painting on, and the two type of paper I use more the glossy paper and what I used to call my stickers. In the last one, I didn't have nothing to put on, so it's empty for now. This is what I did when I first got my Posca pens. And finally, I decided to put my two little character paintings in one of my walls on my room.